Whatever the load, wherever the road, Eaton heavy-duty transmissions have earned a reputation for being best of the best. Now it's time to get to know something even better. Welcome to the new Eaton 2 Series transmission. This videotape highlights key differences between the new 2 Series and the 7 Series transmission it replaces. Differences you need to know to efficiently and effectively service the 2 Series unit. However, as you view this tape, keep in mind that these are only the highlights. The complete story on servicing the 2 Series transmission is found in your Eaton service manual. Note, review your service manual before attempting to service the new 2 Series transmission. Your manual and 2 Series parts catalog are the final authority on proper maintenance procedures. Of course, personal assistance, night or day, every day, is just a phone call away to your Eaton Road Ranger. Okay, let's take a closer look. The new 2 Series unit is the result of Eaton's commitment to continuously improve proven transmission products. And so it looks very similar to the 7 Series unit, as well as the Eaton 6 Series transmission, which the 7 Series replaced. There are 2 quick and easy ways to identify which Eaton transmission you are servicing. First, the series number is designated in the model nomenclature. The 4th character from the end of the model number identifies the series. Here, a number 2 for the 2 Series transmission. Second, previous Eaton transmissions are distinguished by external rubber air lines connecting the range cylinder and filter regulator assemblies on the rear of the transmission to the slave valve on the side of the transmission. The new 2 Series transmission replaces these components with an air module assembly that integrates the filter and pressure regulator with the slave valve on top of the transmission. The absence of these air lines and presence of the air module assembly means it's a 2 Series unit. Performance of the 2 Series air system is easily validated through the new air module, a simple procedure that requires connecting an air gauge to 2 test ports on top of the module. The module itself can be tested by readily isolating it from the transmission. Consult your service manual for details. There are other improvements that also act to ease and speed maintenance. For example, the 2 Series unit replaces traditional hardwired reverse and neutral switches with quick-release, environmentally sealed connectors. New slots for pry bars make removing the shift bar housing easier. And new dowel pins help correctly align the housing when reinstalled. At the rear of the transmission, the electronic speedometer sensor has been mounted externally to eliminate leaks and the hassle and cost of replacing a driveline seal blamed for a speedo leak. 2 styles are available, a drop-in design, which is held in place with a cap screw, or a threaded unit. Also new is an integrated speedometer rotor and seal sleeve assembly. Instead of riding on the yoke, the seal now secures around this replaceable sealing surface. Note also the new fine threaded spline, which acts to strengthen the output shaft. At the back, you'll also find a range alignment lock plate, which you must unlock to remove the auxiliary section of the transmission. We'll discuss this further in a minute. The front of the 2 Series transmission is unchanged. The clutch housing is the same as that used with 7 and 6 Series units. The shift lever is also interchangeable with these units. However, all fasteners on the 2 Series are now metric, with socket sizes ranging from 13 to 70 millimeters. There are some key differences in accessing and servicing the internal components of the new transmission. Let's now look at these. You'll find the range cylinder mounted on the underside of the shift bar housing. You'll also find a more robust single-rail shift bar mechanism, as opposed to the 3-rail mechanism found on previous Eaton transmissions. As part of this design, the range piston bar dovetails into the range yoke bar to shift the auxiliary section of the transmission. To To remove the auxiliary section, you must first disengage the range piston and yoke bars by turning the flat end of the range yoke bar toward the range piston bar. Loosening the range alignment lock plate allows you to turn the range yoke bar, and turning this plate to the open position properly aligns the bar, making removal of the auxiliary section easy, even with the shift bar housing installed. Main shaft gearing in the 2 Series transmission features non-adjustable gear end plays for easier foolproof assembly. Eaton has advanced its technology to manufacture these gears to tolerances, eliminating the need for feeler gauges and selective spacers. Several custom tools are available to help service the new 2 Series properly, including a bearing puller, counter shaft pusher, output seal driver, counter shaft bearing driver, and timing block for the front box counter shaft. So you can do it wrong and fix what wasn't broken to begin with, or use the tool to do it right the first and only time. Consult your Eaton service manual for more information on custom tools and their application. One final difference between the 2 Series and previous Eaton transmissions: the tighter, more robust design of the 2 Series unit provides improved shift lever performance, a shorter, more controlled shift stroke. Overall, significantly less play than that of a 7 Series transmission, which we believe provides the operator an even better feel for the road. While the Eaton 7 Series transmission earned its reputation as the world leader, the best of the best has just gotten better. Welcome to the powerful new world of the Eaton 2 Series transmission.